Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.
Hello guys, this is Netra P Chand. Welcome to my mathematics class. Let's see today's topic. Today's topic is real number system. In real number system, I have taken questions. Solve the following inequalities, right? And also draw the graphs of the above inequalities. I've taken today's same type of question. I will tell you one, and I will leave remaining questions for you for practice. Okay, for your kind information, I've taken these questions from a grade 11 book. Okay, topic is real number system. One of the important questions I have taken. All right, so you can't ignore at any cost. These are very important questions from the examination point of view. Okay, so before starting these questions, we have to know the definition of absolute value of real number. Let's see the definition of absolute value of real number. Definition of absolute value of real number is mod of x is equal to x is your any real number, okay, and then you will get, okay, mod of x is equal to x if x is greater than or equal to 0. This means, okay, non-negative real number, a negative x if x is negative. If x is less than 0 means negative, then you need to take negative or negative. Ultimately, you will get this positive, and this is also positive and 0 non-negative. And altogether, these values, okay, are non-negative real numbers, right? Okay, so absolute value of a real number, any real number, is non-negative real number. Okay, let's start the question. Solution. Okay, I'm taking first. Here mod of 2x minus 1 greater than or equal to 3. Okay, so listen to me everybody. Here mod of x I can't open without using condition. If I have to open, okay, if I have to remove mod sign, then we need to see the condition. Okay, here if x is greater than or equal to 0, instead of x in this question we have 2x minus 1. All right, we have to see, okay, we have to give condition for this. One time, okay, 2x minus 1 greater than 0, and second time 2x minus 1 less than 0. Okay, if so, first condition I'm using, if 2x minus 1, here just I've used bracket, 2x minus 1 is greater than equal to 0, then see, yeah, I'm not here, okay, actually greater than or equal to 0. I have not written here greater than or equal to 0, only just greater than 0. Why? Because it's sure is confirmed, okay, this value is greater than or equal to 3. So this means, okay, this can't be 0, this is, okay, positive, right? So one condition I have taken, okay, positive firstly, right? If, okay, 2x minus 1 greater than 0 means positive, then you know, right, mod of x is equal to x is positive, right? If greater than 0, x, if equal to 0 also x. So I will write down that mod of 2x minus 1 greater than equal to 3 implies a same thing, right? Using this definition, if greater than 0, then you will write on the same, 2x minus 1 greater than equal to 3. Now let's simplify. 2x greater than equal to 3 plus 1 4 implies, okay, x greater than equal to 2. Therefore you may write down, okay, x belongs to greater than 2 to infinity, right, and 2 to infinity. In this way also you may write down, right? So x greater than equal to 2 means, therefore x belongs to 2 to infinity, right? This is a left closed interval, right? Left closed or right open interval, you can say, right? So this means, okay, 2, okay, your counting starts from 2, right? Okay, and now second condition, if 2x minus 1 less than 0. Now second condition, if, okay, if x is negative, then to make it positive we need to take the negative sign, then negative x. If x is negative, then if x is negative, then you need to put the sign negative x, right? Now, okay, then So I'm using this definition. So I will write down here. Then mod of 2x minus 1 greater than or equal to 3 becomes your negative of 2x minus 1 greater than equal to 3. Okay. So I don't think you have any problem. So how you have removed this mod? Here is a question mark due to this, because I've taken 2x minus 1 is negative. Okay, so if negative, then you need to put negative sign, right? And this is equal to negative 2x minus 1, right? This is already given part of the question. Greater than or equal to 3. Let's simplify. So if you multiply both sides by the negative sign, then your sign of inequality, this is called the sign of inequality, will be reversed, okay? Or 2x minus 1 less than equal to minus 3, or implies 2x less than equal to minus 3. When you will shift, okay, minus 1 here, it becomes, okay, plus 1, and 2x less than equal to minus 2, okay, and implies x is less than equal to minus 1. So therefore less than equal to minus 1. So all values left are minus 1. So therefore x belongs to minus infinity to minus 1, negative 1 you can say, right? So okay, so we got to get to solution. X belongs to this and x belongs to in different condition. If 2x minus 1 greater than 0, then you will get this one, and if 2x minus 1 less than 0, then we will get this one solution. Now let's combine, okay, how to write on the solution. So I'm writing, okay, here, therefore the required solution of the given inequality is, listen to me, you will write down either in this form, in set builder form, or x such that x is less than or equal to minus 1, or x is, okay, this one I have taken firstly, and then x greater than equal to 2. Or in another way also you can write down in terms of intervals, or x belongs to minus infinity, negative infinity, comma negative 1, union 2 to infinity. Okay, this way you can write down the solution of this inequality. All right, so very easy, not so difficult. You have to only just keep in brain to condition how to only just look at this one. All right, we don't have a special formula, so direct formula for this type of question. And then how to, okay, we have to remove the mod. So in which way we can remove the mod? Okay, so we have to provide the condition. By using conditions we can remove the mod. If you know this thing, then you can definitely crack down these questions very easily, right? So now, okay, after watching this video, definitely you will be the perfect to solve the remaining questions very easily. You can find out the solutions of these questions. Same trick you have to apply, same method you have to apply to each and every question. Okay, now I will tell you how to draw the graph of this question. Graph is very easy. All right, so now graph of the given inequality is given below. Okay, graph of the given inequality is given below. Okay, here 0. Now I can see 1, so 2. Write down here 1, and minus negative 1, so negative 1 up to negative 1 you can, and all right. So here is equal to, so you need to make the dark circle. Here you need to make the dark circle. You know, here x greater than equal to 2, so right up to, you have to make a greater. You will get, okay, right up to, okay, greater values, right? X is greater than equal to 2. You're going to shade like this way. This shows that all values including 2 was on right hand side. And here all values, okay, left of -1 including -1. So we can, this type of diagram you can make, and the x less than equal to -1. Now I can draw this way, right? Okay, you can shade, okay, like this way. This is the graph of the here given inequality. All right. So I also think now you have a problem. Now you can do very easily all these questions. You can draw the graphs of all these questions, right? Inequalities. I think, okay, by watching this video you will enjoy. If you have any problem, you have an option. You can write down in comment box. I'm ready to reply your questions, right? Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.